Hello and welcome to In Conversation with the One Hour Mentor, Anak Desai. Anak Desai has been a suit for 30 years before he turned mentor, coach, and founder of the One Hour Mentor and OnePlus 99 Experience Consulting. You can learn more about him across social media platforms as @Anak. This is a casual conversation with professionals from various fields. We ask them about their life journey and attempt to gather lessons from their triumphs and failures. This recorded show is accessible on YouTube and other platforms. So let's begin our conversation with the One Hour Mentor, Anak Desai.
Our guest on the show today is Dipinder Sandhu. Dipi has been one of those people who divide their careers, time, and energy between two cities equally, Delhi, NCR, and Bombay. He has been an FMCG man, a brand man, a distribution person, and now, currently in his new avatar, he has taken upon the local distribution as a challenge and helping out regional brands. He is currently based out of Gurgaon, but commutes often to Bombay. Welcome to the show, Dipi.
So how's Delhi been, Gurgaon been in this 6 weeks?
2-3 ways I can answer that. The weather has been much better.
Okay.
It rained quite a bit yesterday also, so it's quite pleasant today also. During the day, we don't use ACs. Only in the night for some hours we use AC.
Oh, very nice.
As far as lockdown is concerned, I do see some vehicles moving around because I'm also on the road almost every day.
Okay.
I do some volunteering work with one of the foundations here.
Oh, very nice.
I do a lot of police, but hardly any checks actually.
Right.
They will stop you. You say something, you can just pass on. Otherwise, from a business perspective, very difficult to get permissions, and I think that is one of the things we may cover in this later because my business is kind of stopped.
Right.
So that's one of the issues here. Hopefully, in the next 2-3 days, we'll try and start it again. So that's where we are. How's it in Bombay? I keep hearing a lot of things. My family is there, so.
Okay. So Bombay has been very positive and negative both. In the sense is, I think the slums and Bombay cannot do without each other. So irrespective of how well behaved you are, in a 10 feet by 10 feet kholi, with around 7 people staying there, something is bound to give away.
Yeah.
So that's been happening. The other is whilst the numbers are growing, but I don't know. So from some perspective, when I take a look, I look and I question myself: are these numbers really huge numbers? I'm not saying that people who lose their lives should be laughed at or something of that sort. Compared to population, compared to actually tested, out of testing turned positive, and out of positive actually death. When you put that into, some kind of a thing, and then you put in US against that, US has large numbers. With the kind of medical assistance available there, A, by Z, all of that, I think India is doing a fairly good and decent job. But as I tell people, it's the uneducated who are very nice. It's the educated who screw up systems like this.
See, I think I have a slightly different point of view. I think frankly, I don't think I know enough. But India, we can't look at it as an average. While we are
Right.
talking about a large number of tests in Maharashtra,
Yes.
UP, which has more than twice the population,
Yeah.
is much lower than national average. And hence UP numbers are low. So
Correct.
are we sitting on a time bomb? I don't know, right? So
But that is the question exactly I'm asking. That if UP has 10 lakh population and you have barely managed to test 2,000 people, it is not the right number.
correct.
Now, when you compare that, and the right numbers have slowly started coming from whatever after your 21 days were over or something of that sort. Reasonably right numbers. So somewhere either we have to trust ourselves and take precautions for another 3 months or 4 months in whatever form it is, और से कि नहीं हमेशा की जैसे सब लोग ही झूठ बोल रहे हैं, तो ऐसे तो नहीं हो सकता है ना.
या somebody asked me कि इतने लोग मर रहे हैं, अगर इतने लोग मर रहे हैं तो हाइड कैसे कर सकते हो? 2-4 को हाइड कर सकते हो,
कर सकते हो.
But it's what is happening in Germany also, right? So
right.
Many more people are dying there, but they are not classifying it as COVID.
Correct.
So is that happening in India? I don't know.
Oh, so that's a question which I asked a doctor friend of mine. I said, doctor, tell me one thing. In the last 6 weeks or 8 weeks of this lockdown, are you seriously telling me nobody's died from a heart attack? Nobody's died from asthma, whatever, I mean, variety of things. He said, nahi, aisa to nahi. I said, then can somebody explain to me that why a cremation place is saying I will have to let go 4 people because there are no deaths and nobody is coming for cremation? I said, it's just media, just to get their faces and 2 minutes of time on media.
Correct.
Is there. And one of the things which has come admirably, and I think you and I had a chat on Twitter also about the Kiranas. I'm still unconvinced about one thing, Tapinder, and probably you are the right person to explain to me. Is Kirana में order 10 piece bread मंगाता है वो 10 के जगह पे 12 मंगाएगा, because he cannot afford to order 50 pieces and have that money. He is still able to service his regular customers in the current scenario also. The same thing, Big Basket, or today take Star Quick. I got a slot on Wednesday, but today morning. I said, okay, I paid the money, everything. Between 10 and 12, they were supposed to deliver today. At 2 o'clock when I'm looking at it, there is no answer from there. There is absolutely nothing. But it shows that out of the 1400 or 1600 I paid, 600 rupees have been refunded. Why? What has not come? I still don't have. We are nearing like 5 o'clock. I have absolutely no clue where that shipment is.
So you can't go to the neighborhood and order something else, whatever is not there. See, I think that's the issue that I'm facing, right? Having worked in modern retail also, and kind of understand, how the backend systems are not very different in a modern trade versus an e-commerce, except for the slots and the bunching up of.
Right.
Now, in a neighborhood store, there are 2 or 3 things which are going for them. One is that there is a personal equity. So, whatever and immediacy is far more there, right? You will know कि ये है नहीं है, तो you can take a call कि Maggi sauce लेना है कि किसान sauce लेना है.
Correct.
And ठीक है, if you don't like kisan sauce and only want Maggi, then obviously you don't take anything. But you have a choice to make a call there and there. On an online system, you can't really, as you have also experienced, firstly slot मिला कि नहीं मिला, फिर product है कि नहीं है, फिर कब आएगा, कितने बजे आएगा, और safety क्या है मुझे ये नहीं पता है. How the other day Kunal Bahl and I think you were also tagged. We went into some discussion.
Yeah.
How is that more safe than Kirana? I'm not sure.
Absolutely.
Because I see when I go on volunteering, I see Milk Basket, I see all these. The people like there's no social distancing that they are doing.
Nothing.
They move from one truck to the other. There's no sanitizer. They have a mask which is up to here sometime here, sometime here. So it's all happening. So that's the front end part of it. At the back end also, if you look at a distributor, right? Yeah. Most of these big company distributors work with stores on cash.
Right.
So वो तो अपना ROI निकाल रहा है कि मैंने आज 10 रुपए में माल खरीदा है, मुझे कितने दिन में वो मिल गया 10 रुपए 50 पैसा, इसलिए मेरा ROI कहाँ पे है? And hence, whereas when he has to deliver to a modern trade, because most of these big companies also deliver through a distributor, then there is no ROI concept, because वो कब पैसा देगा, 30 दिन बाद देगा, 45 दिन बाद देगा. Some of the retail companies, some of which we will not take names here, we don't know when they will pay, 60 days, 90 days and all.
Correct.
So what will happen to a distributor? He'll go to a Kirana store ठीक है, वो एक बीट में 50 दुकान करेगा, हर से कैश लेगा और अपना रोटेशन निकाल देगा।
निकाल देगा।
शाम को अभी तो खैर नहीं है, बट वो नॉर्मली हफ्ते में एक दफा गत्ते बेच के भी रोटेशन निकाल लेता है।
हाँ हाँ,
So that, you know, that's again something that will work in favor of Kirana store.
राइट।
So I'm quite, you know, I have a different view on Twitter. Obviously, everybody wants slots. You know, Twitter is a very atypical arena in my view, right?
Yep, yep.
So that's where we are.
No, yeah, I am definitely with them on the part of slots, but I have a very simple question. Can we not have like a book my show kind of a slot that every Sunday for the next 1 week we are opening slots from this time to this time? आपको मिला तो मिला, नहीं मिला तो अगले संडे को। आज आप सीधा ऐसे ही बोल रहे हो नो स्लॉट्स अवेलेबल, मीन्स व्हाट? आर यू गोइंग आउट ऑफ बिजनेस? व्हाट इज इट?
This is
Then
where
the second thing is, you know, just that one question is, any brand will do, allows you the wherewithal to have your basket full immediately. तो मेरे को फर्क नहीं पड़ता, मेरे को सॉस चाहिए भैया, तो किसान दे, मैगी, ये जो भी है, your packing can be that much easier. Third is a lot of we have ordered from the farm here, and they have a very simple thing. Box है, they have charged 135 rupees for the box. उसमें 5 टाइप के बॉक्सेस है। दे हैव सेड 3 किलो आलू, 1 किलो प्याज, 1 किलो टमाटर, 1 किलो ये 135 का है। यू चूज विच बॉक्स यू वांट, इट विल बी केप्ट इन योर सिक्योरिटी एट 4 AM इन द मॉर्निंग। आपको मर्जी आए तब ले। एंड दे हैव जस्ट स्टार्टेड इन कोविड। ज्यादा कुछ नहीं है, व्हाट्सएप पे करता है बिजनेस, ये है वो ट्रक उसकी सुबह 4 बजे घूम के ये देखिए। Same, when we were just interrupted, my wife said कि नीचे वालची का फोन आया है, बोला कि ब्रेड पाव और ये आया है, आपका ये साइड पे रखा है, आप मंगा लो। और दैट्स द किराना। वो स्लॉट वॉट कोई उसको चिंता नहीं है, उसको मालूम है कि हर सोमवार को ब्रेड लेते। Now, using technology, I cannot understand why modern trade cannot do small things like this.
See, it's not an easy answer actually, frankly. When you said that, you know, I will take any sauce, you may be again atypical, right? Like, for example, if you tell me drink Thumbs Up or Coke or Pepsi, I'll say no, I only drink Thumbs Up, right?
Correct. No? Then you are not falling into the slot.
Yeah. So now if I'm a hybrid, then what happens? You know, so it's not going to be easy. You know, I'm now saying from their point of view, it's not going to be easy, right?
Okay, I'll tell you a small joke here. Hold the thought of this particular Thumbs Up and Pepsi. Is in my erstwhile days at a travel company, we had tied up with Pepsi. Okay, Pepsi was our client. Everything used to be Pepsi. Now, one fine day, the Pepsi marketing head and all of them were in town, and they said, hey, we are in your town, let's go out drinking. So we went out. So we went to a place in South Bombay, and I went in, and table reserved tha, and also one person followed me inside.
I know what you're about to say.
Huh. Now, Panch and one of them were a dear friend of mine. He didn't enter. And I said, what is wrong with you, TJ?
It's not my account.
हाँ, it's not my account नहीं। मैं देखो वहाँ thumbs up का बोर्ड लगा है, मैं नहीं आऊँगा। Right. Fast forward, I've seen that happen with a lot of people. So what I'm just trying to say is, yes, possibly what I'm asking is, I may be demanding too much. But general people today are happy if they are told slot आपको 4 महीने के बाद मिलेगा. Means that they don't have to keep going and checking every day. So, but I don't know, I may be wrong. And I personally have always been rooting for the Kirana wala. With little bit of fine tuning and cleaning up, they are getting to be a major force which will still be stronger for all things.
Yeah, and with whatever plans we are hearing of Jio and FB and all that coming up, they'll obviously get more stronger. I think you know Hari Menon of Big Basket had tweeted the other day a thread of what happened, right? One of the points which I retweeted was that about labor.
Okay.
The entire sorry, the entire labor issue that we always took for granted is going to be the bane for the big labor intensive companies, whether it is e-commerce or modern trade. In a kirana store, that labor is not a problem. तो वो तो अपना एक दो लोगों के साथ ही काम कर रहा है हमेशा से. अब आपके पास ऑर्डर बढ़ गया है तो आपको लेबर पहले ही नहीं मिल रही थी, अब तो और भी प्रॉब्लम होगी. And hence more of these issues that you're talking about.
Do you want an answer to this?
Well, there are a lot of answers to that, by the way. There's something, the pilot which Amazon had started in UK, कि अपने आप ही वो भेज देता था सामान because they know कि कितनी देर में.
No, nothing of that sort.
So that it is that complicated, and advanced to a simpler one also.
My most simpler one is कि 22 तारीख से ये बंद हुआ, उसके 3 दिन या 4 दिन पहले, it was out in the air that this may fall flat, right? My question is, renting out space near Bhiwandi, 20, 30, 40, 50 flats near Bhiwandi could have ensured Big Basket would have creamed the market.
Well, see, one of the city heads is a dear friend of mine. So
right.
So that guy, he said, he, you know, they did some of these things, and I spoke to him around around a week before the lockdown, I think, and he had started seeing this happening there.
Correct.
That people were just running away. Sham ko
हाँ वो बोलेंगे भी नहीं, they won't come back also.
You know, because they are almost on a daily wage. You know, आज ये शाम को काम करके निकलेंगे, अगले दिन नहीं आएंगे.
Correct.
तो उस सिचुएशन में आप क्या कर लोगे ना?
हाँ,
but some of it could have been managed, as you're saying.
See, the reason why I feel very strongly when it comes to logistics is having spent nearly 12 years of my career.
Yeah.
And actually writing a damn book on what the term is logistics. It to me, it is nobody used their common sense. My question is, boss, you are blaming the people who ran away, but do you even today have sufficient stock for delivery? You don't have. The market shut down. तुमको प्याज नहीं मिले थे यार, तो कहाँ से delivery करते? So blaming people that they ran away was my first thing, and my second thing was, Hari, I know you well enough यार. 21 दिन के बाद ये बोलने का जरूरत नहीं था. I would have loved it on day one if he had opened and said, we are going to be screwed, we seek your support, and let's work together. I would have turned an admirer of his promptly. Him, Kunal Bahal, who gave some different rag altogether. Which is why, though irrespective of how much I fight with Dipinder of Zomato, he is always upfront within the first 24 hours. Okay, boss, our service is going to get screwed. Please remain agile.
Yeah.
So communication is somewhere, I think, not very strong in modern trade. Like Star Quick now just sends you a message saying that in case you need urgency, you can come to Star Bazaar also.
Achha, Star Quick is that Star Bazaar which they bought over in Delhi.
Yes.
That company, Radha runs it.
Yes.
I met Radha around a month back in Bombay.
So how do you think this is going to play out?
So I think there will be, in my limited opinion, there will be multiple scenarios which will play around at the same time, right? So there'll be a Mumbai situation where the lockdown will continue, maybe some of the areas much longer. There'll be Delhi where, you know, some of the easing will happen, Gurgaon some easing will happen. There'll be, you know, till the time everybody either gets infected or there's a vaccine, this will keep recurring. So there'll be a wave, in my opinion.
Right.
You know, the flattening out will not happen in much. You know, the concept of flattening out is kind of, you know, you get locked in. You know, some people say the virus stays in you for 35, 40 days, even if you are not having symptoms. You know, you come out after the 30 days, you infect somebody, day 0 starts for that person that day. So 35 days.
Yes.
So it's a multiple loops that are happening together, right? So and now we know that you can get reinfected also, apparently, right?
Yes, that's a new one.
So how will this play out? You know, we will need a crystal ball. I don't have one. So can't really answer that, but there are so many scenarios that can happen. But will India get more disciplined? Not as much as we think it should, but there'll be some changes, in my opinion. Will we have local trains in Mumbai with social distancing? सवाल ही नहीं है, in my opinion, till the time you actually start, being very strict in unmentionable ways. So how will it play out? That's $1 million question. I think if you get the answer, please, I'll pay.
Which is the one industry which will be the most hit for say another 6 months or a year versus one industry which will recover, sort of in a month kind of thing?
The recovery is very simplistic. I think food and grocery we are already seeing happening. Numbers are happening. Recovery has started happening. But if you follow Damodar, he's always saying few things there. So food and my understanding, whatever I'm speaking to people, food and grocery will be fastest. The slowest will be some of these industries which are international travel, because it's also dependent on what is happening in UK. If you want to see what is happening there, so will you get visa, etc. So international travel and travel to some extent. Obviously, we all now know that traveling for work is kind of not needed.
Right.
People have been working out of home. My wife has been much more busy now. Working out of home. So there's no travel. So travel, entertainment, which is the outside entertainment, will get hit, in my opinion, again, because OTT and everything we are seeing what happened to Netflix.
Oh, yes.
We don't know what is happening to the Indian OTT players, but I'm sure they are also seeing a lot of increase. So OTT is anyway, and food and groceries anyway recovering, or is kind of if you remove the distribution part of it to some extent, is quite agnostic to this problem. Fashion, luxury also may not, because you can always get in-home demonstration. If you want to buy a Jaguar, you can always have a Jaguar guy coming next to you and saying, "कि boss, मैं आपको demo आपके घर पे दे सकता हूँ पूरा साफ." So luxury may not, but to some extent the other retail, hotels, in my opinion, because how will there were some studies about AC se kaise fail gaya, in China in the first place, the first man, some Indians also had gone there to Wuhan and all that. So I think the other one is financial sector some part of it can see immediate boom. We are seeing what is happening with Bajaj Financial Services. Yesterday some people had tweeted about it, how they have but there'll be some parts of financial services also, and I'm not a financial expert, you know it far better than I do. But there'll be some stress also there, but some segments within finance will also take off. That's what I feel. But apparel, restaurants, entertainment, movie halls, dead.
Out of the question, yeah.
Malls will also see a lot of issues.
Yeah, I think a lot of these 100 crore movies will go out, kind of thing.
Correct. And earlier I used to read about how Prime or Netflix paying 40-50 crores for a movie. Now that they know कि बस अभी तो इनको बाहर भी कोई नहीं मिल वाला है, हम भी 10 crore में खरीद लेंगे. So yeah, so a lot many more new era of that RT movie which had come during Farooq Sheikh's time. We may see some of those coming up again.
Yes.
Low budget, yes.
That's interesting. Very, very interesting. I think out of the current 9-10, which I have already conducted, I think you tend to agree with luxury and all of that, because everybody says that no, everything is going for a dump. And I firmly believe that luxury and hospitality will grow immediately. Aviation will not grow.
When you say hospitality, what does that have?
People will still travel. So typically what happens is, and this I talk having observed the Surat plague, the SARS in Far East, the 9/11, the 26/11, the other things. and COVID finally. You're talking about 60 days of 3 or 4 people who normally do not see each other's face for a full week, being close to each other. And a lot of them, salaries are not affected. Salaries are affected, but salaries are not affected, kind of a scenario. And at some point of time, the salaries will stabilize. Oh, 3 months, 4 months, mein wapas, the better performers will still be retained, and so on and so forth. And money is always available. जो मेरे को करना और मेरे को अच्छा लगता है, उसके लिए तो मेरे पास पैसा निकलता ही. So flights may not be there. Vehicles may be there. Rentals may increase for vehicles. And I may not go sightseeing on a city, but I may go into Bandargarh or, places where there is social distancing in any case be prevalent.
Correct.
So, and the popular thing is, अरे यार 60 दिन ये हो गया, चलो let's take a break. I need a break from this. And second is obviously, people forget about the wedding season which is lost. तो अप्रैल मई इज द वेडिंग सीजन. आदमी ने जो लोन लिया है, पैसा बच्ची के लिए किया है, वो नवंबर दिसंबर में तो करना ही पड़ेगा उसको, शादी कैसे भी करके. वो 300 आदमी की जगह पे 50 आदमी बुलाएगा, शादी तो करेगा ही करेगा. शादी करेगा तो गहना खरीदेगा.
Correct. So I was just looking at my data. I think the other day some people had asked कि क्या कम हो गया, किसका क्या. तो मैंने ऐसे I keep a record of what we spend every day. तो लास्ट 1 ईयर का मैंने डेटा था मेरे पास एक्सेल में. तो उसमें से आउटलायर्स एक जो सबसे ज़्यादा था और एक सबसे कम खर्चे वाला मंथ था निकाल दिया. तो 10 मंथ्स का एवरेज किया, so I am down 60% on my spend.
Correct.
This does not include rent. So rent को मैंने एक टाइम के लिए साइड में रख दिया. So I'm down 60%. Most of it is eating out and the petrol and parking and Uber.
Yeah.
So वो वहाँ निकल गया. मूवी हॉल्स, मेरा मूवी का खर्चा काफी होता था. So movie निकल गया. So these 3 elements have gone, and and some of it, the wedding and all, which I used to classify, and others have obviously gone. So 60% I'm down. My last month's credit card is the lowest, is 60-65% lower, or 70% lower than the average of last 1 year.
Wow. So
today, today SBI said that they are down 60% in terms of retail on credit card.
it does, yes.
If that was to be taken as a barometer, right? In 1 month they are down 60%. That means, and a month is around 8.5% of annual, and all months being equal, and you're down 60%. That's 4 or 5%, right? So if you say that that's atypical, उसका भी आधा तो 2% तो economy की लग गई ना already annualized basis पे.
Totally.
And we are talking about people saying कि 0.1 growth होगा, 0.9 growth होगा. I don't know from where are they talking all this.
And one of the good things or the bad things is, whilst we are talking this and payment by online and all that, a lot of people today also have cash in their houses and they don't know. I mean, my neighbor came and said, Anak bhai, can I give you 50,000 rupees? आप आपके कार्ड पे लोड करा के मेरे को वो कार्ड दो ना, अभी कोई कैश नहीं ले रहा है. I'm like, तेरे को कैश में क्या खरीदना है? तो नो ये सब्जी वाला और उन लोग भी वो स्वाइप ही करा रहे अभी. I said, don't get me into shit. I said, I will order your vegetables. बाद में तू मेरे को चेक से ट्रांसफर करके जैसे देना वो दे दे.
I don't
want to get cash and then load it and all that. So good. So Dupi, what would one find you in a stress situation? Tea or coffee?
Sorry?
In a stress situation,
Huh.
tea or coffee? Neither.
Cold water.
Cold water. And vada pav versus pani puri?
Pani puri.
Yeah, interesting. Very interesting. I think
I don't drink tea, coffee, by the way. I don't drink tea, coffee.
Yeah, that's why I said tea, coffee, or what nimbu pani?
I don't drink anything during the day, so
Okay.
except for water.
And when you travel, what do you like? Reading, watching, talking, sleeping?
So when I travel in a flight, I don't sleep at all.
Okay.
I have this strange habit of I get 5 newspapers a day at home,
Okay.
and some of the articles which are one-page articles and two-page articles, which sometimes I don't find time to read.
You
So
cut it and carry them.
I keep removing those pages.
Okay.
And when I travel, let's say Bombay to Delhi, which is my most frequent travel, used to happen. I used to have this thick pages, and some of them would be 6 months old.
Doesn't matter. Yeah.
Yeah, so I will read, during that flight. And I used to. I'm not a very big, voracious reader of books, but I do have some which I try and read. So I carry those. I sleep very rarely on a flight. Also, don't watch. I don't download anything on my phone and watch.
But you like to go to a multiplex and watch movies.
Yeah, yeah. I used to be first day first show or first day last show kind of thing.
Wow.
Almost all movies.
So that's taken a hit.
That's
Right.
it. Yeah.
All right, Ruby, thank you so much.
If you like this episode, like, share, and subscribe to the 1 Hour Mentor, Anak Desai.